How to quickly get hands-on with Claude Code. Hi, I'm Shonn, Claude Code #1 power user. To get started, open a terminal, go to your project root, and run Claude. If you haven't set it up yet, you can go to this link here, and then paste in these instructions. Claude has two main models, Sonnet and Opus. Opus is stronger but pricier, Sonnet is cheaper and solid. Use the model to pick. If you have a max plan, default to Opus, otherwise pick based on your usage. First thing, set up Claude.MD. This creates an instruction manual for Claude to follow on each run. I suggest viewing the Claude.MD and add your standard practice. I encourage you to add more instructions for Claude. Next, look at the available execution mode. We have plan and execute mode. Plan is when you want Claude to investigate your instruction to execute the task. A tip during this phase is to use the word ultra-think. Ultra-think, think hard, think. Those words are actually triggers for Claude Code to think and give extra token count for a deeper look. This is perfect for plan mode, which needs a more concise and detailed plan for the execution. Once you get the whole plan done, like this example here, which I asked it to do a landing page and it did well, then press on yes to auto accept edit, which it will start executing. Here is a comparison of the landing page of your AI after Claude Code edited it. This is an AI note-taker app that I've made to turn lectures and PDFs into summary and interactive study tools. Auto-edit mode is the second mode, which it will go ahead and auto-edit everything, but there are cases where it will still ask permission for some parts. If you want complete autopilot, I suggest launch Claude with dangerously skip permissions, which will skip asking for permission for any tasks. If you want to resume to previous conversation, you can just add resume and you can juggle between all the conversations you had before. You can use clear to clear previous conversation context. Model Context Protocol MCP connects Claude to operate on different third-party tools and services. I commonly use Context 7 for latest packages practice and Notion to submit and track tickets and write doc using Claude Code. You can browse the server list at this link right here. Agents are also useful. They run conditionally in specific environment and can work in parallel. Check out this GitHub repository for some commonly used agent, so you don't have to spend time running your own. If you don't know how to set it up, just paste the link and Claude Code can set up all the agents for you. Another handy tips, Claude can do screenshot. So if I do a screenshot here, and I can drag it in, hold shift, and it will show as a path. Claude can understand the context and content inside the image. Once you get the hang of it, you can let it go on autopilot and even create multiple different environments to be used at the same time. Claude Code's learning curve is steep, but the payoff is big. Parallel execution plus high accuracy can get serious 10 to 20 times productivity gains.